Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. Today we will be making a very delicious breakfast recipe, the very berry crepes. So let's get started. Let's combine the dry ingredients together first. Let's take maida in a bowl. To this, add a little bit of salt, castor sugar. Mix it well. Let's keep this aside. Now let's combine the wet ingredients. We'll begin by breaking 2 eggs. Whisk the eggs. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk it again. The milk is at room temperature. Melted butter. This is salted butter. Give it a good whisk again. Now I am going to add the dry ingredients gradually into the wet mix, a little by little. I'll keep on whisking it. Whisk well so there are no lumps in the batter. The batter needs to be smooth. So now let's begin by making the crepes. Let's heat a non-stick tawa. Once the tawa is nice and hot, we'll brush it with some butter. We'll pour the batter on the tawa. This is almost 1/4 cup of batter. And now we'll swirl it around like this. We'll let it cook for a couple of minutes and then we'll flip it. As you can see, it's now dry. It's not sticking to my fingers. So now it's time to flip the crepe. Lift it gently like this and flip it. This is ready. Let's take it out. Let's place the crepe on a flat board. Let's apply some chocolate spread on half of the crepe. Spread it gently and generously. Add some chopped strawberries. Let's fold this into half and now into a triangle. Let's keep this aside. Similarly, let's assemble the rest of the crepes. I like blueberries, so I'm going to add these two. You can use any berries you can find. Raspberries will do, mulberries will do. They all taste good in these crepes. Let's top them up with some extra berries. Finishing touches with some powdered sugar. Do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comments section how they turned out.